So now let's see how we can work around with Guided Lighten and Darken option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided area right here. And then over here, you can see Lighten and Darken is an option right here. Once you go around over here, you can see that you get the Lighten and Darken option, which is the shadow, highlight, and midtones right here. And you can also use Auto Fix option right here to go around and then fix it out according to how you like. So over here, you can see that the first option is the shadows, and shadows affects the darker part of the photo. So you can increase out the shadows, and you can see that the dark part, the details changes out right here. You can go around onto the highlights, and highlights control out the brighter parts of the picture right here. So if I were to change around the highlights, the brighter part gets darkened out right here. And you can see that it gets much more balanced. So you can go around and then choose a balance between the shadows and highlights right here to get the level of detail as you like. You can go around onto the midtones and then change that around, and that affects the gray areas right here. And you can see that you can change around the contrast. That is the overall contrast of the image as well. And once you're happy, you can click on next right here. And once you do that, you can go around, continue editing in quick right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with Guided Lighten and Darkening option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.